at that delicious, delicious banana bread. Check it out, check it out. Look how good it looks. Yummy, 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 coming along. Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious banana bread with some bourbon whiskey. Those are the ingredients. I'll be listing them in a second, but also you can find them in the description box. I am using an electric mixer here, and I started with some butter. I just like cream some butter. I added some eggs. Yeah. Usually I will add some sugar. I don't know what was going on with me here, but it all worked out. I added all the liquids, eggs, vanilla oil, and mix it all up before I mix the ingredients. Yep, here we go. Yep, add some raisins there. And I'll be adding all the dry ingredients that I just mixed. I mixed all the dry ingredients together. And I add some flour, stir, and just add a bit at a time until it gets to the consistency that you want. I'll be showing you later how it looks like. And our oven, we're gonna put it at 350 degrees. This bread, honey, we're gonna be cooking it for about an hour at 350 degrees. Yeah, you can see that. Look at my nails. I got some nails done. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. Like and share, and I appreciate you for watching my videos, for supporting me, and press that like button. Don't forget to press it. As you can see, the consistency there. So this is how it should look like before you bake it, and time to put it in the oven. Check it out, check it out. Look how good it looks. Yummy, 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 coming along, coming